Zinedine Zidane. His real name is Zinedine Yazid Zidane. He works as a coach for one of the soccer clubs, Real Madrid. He was born in Marseille, France, June 23, 1972. He has a nickname Zizou, and he is also a former French football player of Algerian descent. He is tall and has bald hair. He is also a hard worker and talented in football, and has been in the Real Madrid club. His daily activity is to coach the Real Madrid club and likes to play football. He started his career at the age of 14 years at the Youth Academy of Cannes. He has won the Italian Serie A League with the Juventus club and has won the Intercontinental League, and he has also won the UCL and has been the coach of the Real Madrid club.